Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix PC won't boot from cloned SSD in Windows. Boot with Windows bootable CD or USB drive. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. No drive letter for Windows installed drive. Run commands one by one. Type disk part. Star under GPT indicates the system partition type is UEFI. Volume 1 is Windows installed volume with no drive letter. First assign drive letter for this volume. K drive letter is assigned to Windows volume. Next assign drive letter for system volume. FAT32 indicates the partition type is system. Type cd space, mcolan /EFI /Microsoft /boot. Attrib space, bcd space -h space, -r space, -s. Type ren space, bcd space, bcd12.old. Type bootrec space, /rebuild bcd. Windows installed drive letter is K. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows space, /s space, assigned system drive letter colon space, /f space, UEFI. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.